For those who love problem solving and understanding new technology, computer science could be the career path for you. And the good news is, the industry is booming. In fact, computer science jobs are now the #1 source of new wages in America. What's more, qualified computer science professionals are in high demand. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that by 2021, there will be 1.4 million computer science-related jobs available, and only 400,000 computer science graduates with the skills to apply for those jobs. The majority of these jobs require skills and knowledge gained through an advanced degree in computer science or computer engineering. If you are at the start of your career, however, deciding whether to pursue computer science versus computer engineering can be challenging. Learn more about the similarities and differences between the two disciplines, including the skills you'll need, career options, and how to determine which is right for you. In this video, I'll be explaining the roles and responsibilities, the market outlook, as well as the degree programs. Then it's up to you to decide which one's more suitable for you. One strategy for determining which path is right for you is to consider your career goals. For instance, if you're looking to work in cybersecurity or as a systems administrator, computer science might be a good fit for you. If your goal is eventually to become a software architect or developer, a degree in computer science or computer engineering will equip you for the job. Advanced computer science curriculum thoroughly covers how networks and systems security protocols work while teaching programming and appropriate mathematical concepts. Computer scientists typically have an understanding of programming language such as Java, SQL, and Python, how to run, maintain, and fix Linux and Windows operating systems, data structures and algorithms, basic cybersecurity and cryptography, knowledge of designing, coding, and testing software, and how computer networks work and how to manage them. Some common skills a computer engineer utilizes are a complete understanding of how computer hardware and the architect works, knowledge of designing, coding, and testing software, flexibility to work with a wide range of software which can be highly specialized depending on the company and/or industry, and the ability to build your own PC systems and repair and maintain device drivers. The technology industry is booming with growth and opportunity. Careers in computer and information science are predicted to grow 19% by 2026, and computer hardware engineer jobs are expected to increase 5% in the same time frame. The salary for both computer scientists and computer engineers is also highly attractive for prospective professionals. Computer science majors can earn 40% more than other college majors, and all occupations in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, pay more than non-STEM careers by 12 to 30% across all education levels. On average, computer scientists can earn $118,000 and $370 per year, and computer science engineers can earn $114,600 per year. Not only do these career paths boast lucrative salaries and stable job growth, but earning a degree in either field can pave the way for many different career options. For example, you can advance from traditional database management or IT jobs and pursue data analysis or cryptocurrency positions with a computer science degree, as you learn how to apply statistical methods to large data sets with computational methods. Other booming fields that are hiring both computer scientists and engineers are the artificial intelligence, AI, and the virtual reality, VR industries. The AI market is forecasted to be a $3.9 trillion market in the future and needs computer scientists to program and code intelligent machines. Computer engineers are also needed to program and engineer the hardware of AI machines. The VR industry is predicted to be $9.9 billion by 2022 and has seen a 93% increase in job demand in the past year. Virtual reality isn't a glorified gaming system, but instead, it's revolutionizing healthcare, architecture, military and defense, and education. A degree in either computer science or in computer engineering will be valuable for anyone wanting to break into this industry. Many computer science and computer engineering jobs require a bachelor's degree and pay well after graduation. But earning a master's degree can help you earn $30,000 more per year. If you're considering an advanced degree to further your career, comparing programs can help you make your decision. While these computer science and computer engineering degrees share similar courses and are both great choices for a strong technology career, there is a major difference to note. Computer science focuses mainly on troubleshooting issues on a software level. Expect to learn different programming languages, how to operate with operating systems, and how to maintain databases. Computer engineering, however, focuses on problem solving and designing hardware and software interfaces. Expect some similarities between the degrees and job titles. Since computer engineers can be responsible for the development and prototyping of software and hardware simultaneously, both degrees allow students to specialize in concentrations within each discipline, including cybersecurity, aerospace, and robotics. The Master of Science in Computer Science degrees at Northeastern University, for example, allows students to specialize in database management, security, game design, graphics, or programming languages. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you very much for sticking around till the end. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about computer science and coding, click the link in my description to my blog where you can expand your knowledge on these topics. See you in the next video!